When wanting to do more advanced material settings, you can go into your materials paint bucket, and this you can go into a room in 3D. It'll be easily seen here. And so what you can do is say maybe this wall, you want to change colors. So we can change it to maybe like, say blue. And then we can paint this wall blue. And then we could take another color, say red. We could paint this wall red. And so now you can see you have different reflectances. They're not all 80, 50, 20. And so if you calculate this, cool, and so now you can view your rendering. You can see all your different wall colors with the different reflectances. So this is just another one of the advanced settings you can do if you don't want to stick with the typical 80, 50, 20 reflectances.